Hey, the season has ended, and I just got 70 points. Daryl just got remodeled, and Pam, I don't know. But we will know it when the update begins. Wait, where is the big box and mega box? Maybe it didn't show up yet. Let's play some game first. Alright guys, I think the big box and mega box has at the shop now. I hope I will get epic or mythic, but I don't want Piper. There it is. Let's open the big box first. I hope I will get Brawler. Ooh. We will get a Brawler. I hope it's not Piper. Oh my god, yes, we got even.
Yeah! Tough as nails, hard as a rock.
Now let's open up Mega Box now. Oh yes, another Brawler. Let's see what it is. Star power? Okay, it's good though. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and slap the bell. Bye.